Tesla stock has been on an absolute tear through the night. We were up really late yesterday, really breaking down this position. As you guys can see, I got in right here at 13.79. We saw it push up to what was from 13.79 up to $15.60. Right now, we're kind of monitoring. We saw it push below the EMA. I was still bullish on it. We had this line drawn up from our live session earlier today. And right now, we just saw it really push up, and it's validating that support. Looks like it's continuing its overall direction. Now, the next kind of outlook on what we could see as far as the info line goes, as far as our margin for profit, we've seen from here up to the previous highs we saw back in July, which would be, right around 1692. That's a 12% increase on TSLL, a 6% increase on TSLA. And then, of course, there's the extreme bull case that we could see, back to previous levels. Now, if we see it get up to $20 a share on an extreme bull case, we're looking at about 40% increase. Back to that $20, $25 price point, we're looking, 72% from here. So, absolutely seeing volatility. It's really just been on a bull run, guys. I mean, that's simply it. Now we have this 682 on this trade, up a little bit over $1,400 on the day. Want to give you guys an update. A couple things, really key kind of indicators for this stock that you guys want to look out for over the next 24 hours. That we have a stronger support around 1520. Okay, and that's just not me and doing markups. We also see that 1520 from, if we see it start to turn bearish, keep an eye out on that 5020. According to ChatGPT, after uploading this and after doing my own analysis, 1520 is the spot. So look for that as potential. If we see it push below that, could be seeing it losing its momentum. After hours pushed up a lot, and then right before after hours, we saw it push up to 1560 a share, sold off aggressively, about 1% on Tesla, 2% on TSLL, and push back down to that, moving the rising support on the trend. And now we've seen it continue its upward direction. Next price level is 1550 that we're going to see it really test. If we just look on a simple chart, right, and we look on kind of the classic Robinhood chart, there's a support, there's this resistance right here. All right, a resistance at 1539. Okay, and then there's also support. It acted as a support right here, 1539. Now we are at 1539. We just saw it push up. We just saw it get a little rejected. It's at a critical point where we could see it break out. Next level to really push through would be around 1550. So just keep an eye, 1550, before seeing it continue its upward direction. So I just wanted to show you guys, keep a quick update here on TSLL. We were up pretty late last night with an update here on YouTube. And then we also were live today at 7:30 a.m. For those of you guys that would like to watch me trade live every single morning at market open, I would encourage you guys to check out Stockmate. It's that second link in the description. Just a friendly reminder, from now until Friday at midnight, we have $200 off coupon code. The second link in the description. Simply take a look at Stockmate down there. See you guys in the next video. Take care.